Hello, welcome to Prairie Street Culinary Kitchen. My name is Chef David. Today we're making veal breast asado using Prairie Street coast veal breast. So the first thing we're gonna do is just portion it a bit, probably like 3 pieces. When this part is done, I'm gonna do a wet rub with sea salt, Mediterranean za'atar, a little bit of garlic paste, and mustard. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Every time I'm doing asado, I tend to use fresh herbs. In this case, I'm gonna add some rosemary and parsley. I'm gonna tend to stick it inside. I'm done here, so follow me. I'm gonna go put it on the asado and we'll go from there. Ahora voy a poner un poco el fuego indirecto, upside down, to bring a little bit of the skins. We're gonna be moving it in like 10 minutes to the other side. So it's been already a few minutes. I'm gonna flip it. I'm just gonna cook it there slowly. That's it for now. Now we wait. Okay, and there you have it, veal breast asada using Prairie Street coast veal breast. Pull out the veal breast that has been cooking on the asada for about 2 hours and a half. I'm gonna give it a try. This is veal breast I did in asada, and I did it with mustard, za'atar, herbs. So let's try this. It's amazing, guys. It's amazing, the protein, the quality, the mild with the veal, the mix with the earthy flavors with all the fresh herbs and the mustard. It's great. It's just great. Thank you so much for having me. Remember, you can always go to a website, prairiestreet.com, and find this beautiful meat, find also the recipes. So you can see every video or recipe online. Every video come out every Sunday at 2 p.m. Thank you very much.
Subscribe to our channel now and set your notifications so you don't miss our latest recipes and chef-led tutorials. Then head over to prairiestreet.co to shop for your next big meal.